Hello once again, I'm Martin Tyler, and this is the Emirates Stadium. And our match today, Arsenal against Wolverhampton Wanderers. Whether Liverpool are below expectation, I guess that's a matter for debate. Certainly their older fans, who were more accustomed to the successes of the 70s and the 80s, will feel that they should be doing better.
Well, a lot of points still to play for, but they've been less than impressive, haven't they? Still time to make amends, but I don't know. A lot of ground to make up now.
Wolverhampton Wanderers, they go looking for a victory today because they only drew last time out, and at home too, against Tottenham Hotspur.
Yeah, it was a bit of a turgid affair, Martin, wasn't it? No goals to show. I think we might get a few here, but I think it'll still be a draw.
A real reshuffle for Arsenal. Bernd Leno starts in goal. Carl Jenkinson starts with Monreal in the full-back positions. And up front, a young man with an eye for goal, Edward Nketiah. And here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. Looking at the lineup, he's got all the components in place, hasn't he, the manager, for the pressing style of play that's been a feature of his team.
Yep, and many an opponent has found it difficult to cope.
And shoots! That touch off the defender has stranded the goalkeeper, no chance for him. Put the corner in the middle. Then Donker! Well, that could be the insurance goal here.
That little bit of daylight that they were after.
Jimenez. Here's Jota. Jota! Steered in very classily. Well, that is from the shot's on. Good block, Jimenez, and he's put it away. Jimenez, and it's in for the goal.